Hi guys, welcome to this video. And in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can get free WordPress hosting and practice your web design class, or maybe you just want to test out some things, test out some plugins, and you don't want to actually use it on your main hosting or on your actual website. Now you can use this hosting to test out anything, and it's most valuable for students who are just learning web design, because we don't really advise you to go into purchasing a hosting and domain while you are still learning, because you still have a long way to go. And if you go ahead and purchase this, you might just be spending some money on something you are not really going to use for long. So you have got your free hosting here, so you can be able to create your website and practice your web design class, or just create a staging area for your any of your websites at all. So guys, follow me up and let me show you how we are going to get this free hosting. And the platform we're going to be using for this free hosting is called 000webhost.com. 000webhost.com is a platform created by Hostinger. Yes, Hostinger is not a free hosting platform, but they have decided to create a free hosting platform for students. They actually say it's a learning area, and like I told you, it's best for those learning. It's not usually good for you to set up your website on this very hosting, because they created it strictly for learning. Now 000 web host, I don't want to call that so long. 000 web host is actually a very nice web hosting platform, and it's actually great here because you can see they have a lot of features. Even though it's a free platform, you can see we have the one website, 300 megabyte disk space. This is very little, because if you want to run a website that has a lot of files, this space here is not going to be enough. So like I told you, this is just for you to practice. You don't have to come here and establish a website. No, it's not going to work for you. The best thing you do here is just make this your practice area or your staging area, just as recommended by Hostinger. And you don't get an email with this hosting, you don't get customer support at all. You're not going to get any customer support for this at all. But then you can see there are other things here. You can go for other hosting, but just like I told you, for the course of this video here, we are looking at getting a free hosting. So we're going to go with this 0.00 plan here. So let's click on free sign up. I'm already signed up to this platform, and so I'm not really going to go through the whole sign up process again, but it's very easy. All you need to do is enter your email here, enter your password here, and then you repeat the password just so that you can confirm, and then you click on sign up. And if you don't want to go through this free hosting, you can just go ahead and upgrade to Hostinger, and that's fine. But just like I said earlier, for the course of this video, we're just dealing with everything free for now. I'm already having an account to this platform, so I'm just going to head over straight to my account, and here I'm in my account. So when you create your account, after you have verified your mail, because they are going to ask you to verify your mail, where they send you a link to your email and they ask you to click it. So when you verify your mail, they are going to bring you to something like this, and you're going to have learn web development, build an online store, create web design, start a blog, and others. But what we want to do here is strictly to launch our free WordPress website. So we want to just click on order here. Sorry. When we click on order here, it's going to ask us for website name, optional, and your password. It's going to ask you for your password. Now here is something I would advise you. It's best you keep on using the password you use to sign up to the 000 web host account. And for your website name, you should input a name that no one else is using. It's very important that you input a name that no one else is using. So I don't actually know what I'm going to input there, and I'm thinking of what I would do. So I'm just going to cut this video out. Let me think of what I'm going to put there. When I've gotten something, I'll just head back here and we'll continue. I've got something, and here is what I got. I got Simeon Portal 01. I had to crack my head a little to get that. It wasn't so difficult, but I just wanted something unique, and I think I got that. And now I'm just going to enter my password. So let me get a password. Okay, I think that should work. Let's click on submit and see. I'm going to give it time to load, because I don't know, the platform kind of has a way of delaying things a little, but I think that's fine. For something that is free, we shouldn't be complaining. I think that's it. So let's just give it time to load up, and once it's done, we're going to head down in. Great, our website has been created. So now what do you want to do? Do you want to use our website builder? No. Install WordPress? Yes, that's what we want to do, and we don't want to upload the site. What we want to do is install WordPress. Click on that, and it's going to ask you for your username. If I was installing an actual website, I would definitely not use admin, because admin is a general username for WordPress and most people use it. And if someone wants to get into your website, I'm sure the person will try such a username. Since it's for a tutorial, I'm just going to leave the username admin, and I'll just go down straight and get a password. Okay, so let me get a password here quickly. Okay, I have a password there, and I'm going to click on install. So it's loading up. I think the installation process usually takes a few seconds to work out. It's actually loading up, and I'm going to fast forward the video. I don't want to keep you guys waiting for something that is going to be loading, so I'm going to actually fast forward the video, and once it's done, we'll head back here. All right guys, it's all done. It says congratulations, it's ready. Your WordPress is now ready for configuration. That's good. Let's go to the configuration page. Okay, so give it time to load. I think it's going to load now. We are at the admin dashboard, and we are going to enter in everything. So I'm going to enter my password there. Okay, I think that should work. Let's give it time to load, and we are in our WordPress dashboard. Now you can look at the URL we have up here, which is Simeon Portal 01.000 webhostapp.com. Now you can see that's not really good looking, but for a staging website or for a practice area, we are not going to mind or care about that, because we have this for free. I'm not going to go down into any other thing here. I just want you to know that we have our dashboard here. You can go ahead, if you have a theme that you want to install, go ahead and install the theme. You can see it's showing us transfer website to Hostinger. The great thing here is this: if you design a website on this platform, it's going to take you just seconds to transfer your website to Hostinger, because they are the ones who own this, just like I told you earlier. They are the ones who own this platform. So managing this platform and moving to Hostinger is going to be like the easiest process ever. So that's just it. You can see you can install a theme here, you can see plugins, you can install plugins, and you can do a lot of things. So guys, I hope this video was great. I don't want to go into designing a website or anything. I'm going to be doing that in subsequent videos. For this video, I think we've hit the target for the day, which is how to get our free hosting. When you try out this process, let me know in the comment section if this works perfectly for you, and if you have any issue, you can still drop down your questions in the comment section. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Don't leave the notification button just like that. Make sure you turn on notifications, so when I release a video like this, you are going to hop on it and get that knowledge. So guys, see you in my next video.